This video seeks to explain the process of green card revocation and potential deportation, helping you navigate through the complexities of U.S. immigration laws. Let's outline what we will cover in this video. First, we'll dive into the reasons why a green card could be revoked. Then, we'll discuss the legal processes involved in deportation. Next, we'll talk about the differences between student visas and green cards, the wall of courts. We'll also explore the role of the State Department and immigration courts. We'll end with some practical advice and a disclaimer. The United States government has the authority to revoke a green card and deport individuals. This authority is based on specific legal grounds that are not arbitrary. Grounds for deportation include criminal convictions, fraud or misrepresentation, national security concerns, dependency on public assistance, and foreign policy concerns. Each of these reasons has an underlying legal basis and procedures that must be followed for deportation. This flowchart visually represents the legal due process for deportation. It begins with a formal notice of charges against the individual. The individual has the right to a hearing before an immigration judge, where they can present evidence and challenge the allegations. Legal representation by an immigration attorney is highly recommended throughout this process. Let's discuss the critical differences between student visas and green cards. A green card provides permanent residency, whereas a student visa is temporary. Green card holders generally face fewer risks of deportation compared to those with student visas. However, violating the terms attached to either type of immigration status can still lead to serious consequences. The State Department plays a role in deportation cases related to national security and foreign policy. However, the final decisions are usually made by immigration judges after a formal hearing. Statements made by any immigration agents or officials should not be taken as final unless ruled by a judge. Here are some key pieces of advice for anyone navigating immigration issues. First, understand your rights under U.S. immigration laws. If you're facing deportation, you should immediately consult an experienced immigration attorney. Always maintain accurate records of all your immigration documents and adhere strictly to the legal requirements of your immigration status. Here's a quick quiz for you. Which entity usually makes the final decision in deportation cases? A. The State Department. B. Immigration judges. C. USCIS agents. D. Homeland Security. You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We'll discuss the answer in the next section. The correct answer is immigration judges. While the State Department and other agencies are involved, the final ruling is typically made by immigration judges after a formal hearing. Before we close, it's important to highlight a disclaimer. This video is intended for educational purposes only and should not be construed as legal advice. For advice regarding your specific circumstances, always consult with a qualified immigration attorney. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more useful insights. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.